Hey guys, what's up? It's Leo here again. Well, in this video I have to talk about the passive verbs. I have to teach something, and my theme is the passive verbs. So, well, passive verbs. It is the verb be in the appropriate tense. It could be past, present, or the theme that need to be and plus the past participle of the main verb. It means that the main verb need to be on the past participle for the sentence could be in the great form. And well, we have 7 forms for the passive verbs, or 7 steps to learn the passive verbs. The first are the verbs that can be used in the passive, and those verbs uh, are the verbs which takes an object. For example, the police caught the thief. So it means that the police is the object and caught the thief. the uh, well, and the form of the passive we have this. Here it is. In case of modals, could be could or must. It's the modal plus be plus past participle, and well, the other form is the verb in be in appropriate tense, or the past part plus the past participle of the main verb. Well, the third step is active or passive form, and this means that the active sentence could be, for example, Barcelona beat Man United, or in the passive form could be Man United were beaten by Barcelona. There are the 2 forms, the active and the passive. And well, we have the fourth step, including the agent. In this step means the thing or the person doing the action. For example, the record is held by Carl Lewis, or who the agent is. My car was stolen by somebody, and there we don't know who the agent, or yes, who the agent is. And well, the fifth step is verbs with 2 objects. We have the direct and the indirect object, and this means that, for example, in the sentence could be Bobby was giving a new bike for his birthday. Eh, who is the direct object? It's Bobby, and the indirect object is was given a new bike. So these are the 2 forms. In the sixth, we have the passive construction with infinitive. In this, I can't understand very well, but I'm going to try to explain as I understand. If the information is true or not. For example, I have an example, a sentence. Mr. Smith is believed to be staying with friends. So we don't know if Mr. Smith is with his friends or it's in another side, but it's believed to be with his friends. And we have the 7th step, that it's have or get something done. That this means that you can have or get a service or you can't. These are 2 ways: you have or get a service, or you can control the actions that are happening. And well, I have 2 examples here. The first is I'm having my car repaired tomorrow, that it's you're having a service. Or I get my hair cut by my aunt, it's the same. You have a service, and you need to explain very well in these cases what are you receiving. For example, in the other way that you can control the situation that it's happening, so you need to explain very well what is happening. I have 2 examples here, but I don't understand very well the reasons why you can't control the actions that are happening. So I'm going to remind you the 7 steps. So the first are the verbs that can be used in the passive, the second form of the passive, the third active or passive form, the fourth including the agent, the fifth verbs in two objects, with two objects, sorry, and the sixth passive constructions with infinitive, and the seventh have or get something done, that it's the causative form. So I hope you can understand this. It was difficult for me this time, because I needed to explain this. So I hope you to understand this, and I hope you like the video. See you next time, next week maybe.